Have you ever eaten fried eggs like this? It's just like chicken. We'll use 4 eggs, a good pinch of salt. I also seasoned it with paprika, but you can use the season you prefer, okay? Beat it very well, and then we are going to put it in a frying pan. It's very hot. Cover it and then turn it around to fry on the other side. Meanwhile, there's no secret, guys. It means like you're making like an omelette, right? But now it's time for the secret. We are going to cut the egg like this, as you can see on the video, okay? Like a pizza, actually. And now it's time for the secret. We are going to pass it into flour with salt and paprika. Mix it a little bit. Put it in another bowl. And then we are going to put a little bit of water. It's going to turn into this texture, okay? I also added a little bit of baking powder to let it very fluffy, but it's just a little bit. And then just dive our egg inside of it. Then again to the flour. A lot of flour, guys, like this. Then put it again to the first part. Turn it around. And then we put it again in the flour. Okay, guys? Repeat the process, alright? This secret will let your egg very different. You don't make it always just to leave the routine, make something different, and it's delicious. Then you just have to fry it into hot oil. There's no secret, guys. The oil is just to let it very crunchy because the egg is already cooked, right? So you don't need to worry about the egg to be raw because we prepared it before. It's just to let it very crunchy. So as soon as you see that it's crunchy and fried, you can take it out and put it on a paper towel. And then just eat this wonder. It's so good, guys. I have no words to describe it. It looks like and it tastes like chicken, seriously. Make this recipe at your house and I'm pretty sure that you will surprise all of your family. With some ketchup, there's nothing better than that. And it's super different as well. If you tell someone that it's egg, nobody's gonna believe you. Make it at your house, then come and tell me what you thought about it. And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. See you guys around.